Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. And today we got Delbert back.
Well, hi guys, how you doing?
Doing all right today, Delbert?
I'm wonderful.
Good.
Great, sunny, beautiful day outside.
Boy, it is, isn't it? Look at that.
Whew. This is a change from the other day.
Yeah.
Cold.
Cold, hail, wind blowing, rain, all that kind of good stuff.
At least we didn't have that big hail this time.
That's true. That's true.
People probably think I'm exaggerating, but we're not.
Oh, no. Well, if they saw my last video, they saw that it went plumb through a laminated windshield. So, yeah, it was big.
Well, and I've witnessed 6-inch hailstorms here in Oklahoma.
Oh, yeah, and you hadn't been here that long.
4.5 years.
Welcome to Oklahoma, bud.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, today we're going to take a break from El Caballero and the Corvette. We have got a product to show you, and Delbert, I know I needed an extra pair of hands, so he's going to help me out with it. This is, I'm going to spell it out because I have no idea how to pronounce it. It's the GJIA lighting. It is a dock light, swing arm dock light. It is 6,600 lumens. It has a 40-inch swing arm, heavy-duty construction. This is made for dock lights for semi-trucks. You know, when they back up to the warehouse, they'll swing the arms out and light up the whole inside of that truck. Well, I know you're asking, what in the heck do I want with a dock light? Well, I come up with a bright idea. I'm going to mount it on this pole right here by the lift, and I will swing that light out right where Delbert's pointing. I want to swing that light out, and I can lower the arm just a little bit and aim it anywhere underneath the car that's on the lift. So I have instant light. It's always there. All I got to do is run an extension cord to it. Eventually, I'm going to put me a 110 plug over there, and it can stay plugged in. But it's LED. This is heavy-duty aluminum construction. That thing's all there, isn't it, Delbert?
Yeah, it's heavy.
I mean,
well, this isn't very light either.
No. I mean, look at the gauge of the metal on this thing. I mean, it's well made. And they have all sorts of other lighting solutions. They've got...
Here's the model number if they want to...
Oh, yeah, that's good right there. There's your model number for this. And they have them in a lighter, less luminous ones. This is the biggest one they had. And it's just, you know, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it as correct as possible.
Bring it up, bring it up.
But
I got the power. Sorry, I like to sing once in a while. Good or bad, I like to do it.
Well, we're going to get this thing mounted up and hooked up and show y'all exactly what this is going to look like under my car. And I bet you I'll find places where I haven't painted yet.
Shh, we won't tell.
Well, I mean, I'm just trying to be honest. So, we're going to get you set up. We're going to time-lapse putting this thing up, and we'll see how far we get.
Further down this way?
Yep. Yeah, about that far down. There you go. Old Delbert's over here. He's just a go-getter now, ain't he?
You got a pen?
Yes, sir. First thing I'm going to do,
Centered.
that's a 3-inch.
Oh, that's easy. I think that's 1.5.
Hush! I do it left-handed, okay?
Oh, we didn't measure how far this was, so. Is that where you want it? You're close. A little too narrow.
Well,
Let's see. Let's go with the bottom one. I like that height. Where's it at? There's the bottom one. So we don't see the top one. That was kind of weird. We got it. We know where it's going.
There we go.
X marks the spot. Or
X
T.
marks the spot.
T marks the spot. You didn't notice I put this over here for me, did you? Just in case.
Just in case.
You running? Almost there. Did you ever find your deburr tool?
Yes, I did.
Did you? Okay.
He's in the back seat of the pickup.
It says it'll work on this.
All right. I want to use a new tool that I never used before that Delbert brought to me several weeks ago. So let's, now how do you do this? Just like that?
Just round and round and round you go.
Well, is there any way to do it from the inside or from
Just turn around. Just go inside.
just go inside?
Yeah.
I just wondered if there was any way to do it when you couldn't get to it.
No. That's the downfall. Still got to do it the old-fashioned way when that's the case.
Ah,
I knew that side was going to be rougher.
well, it took it right off.
Did it?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I like that.
Might save you a little bit of hassle on occasion.
Okay, now then. Well, there's the bolts. There they are. Do a flat washer, lock washer, and nut on the back side.
Give me the back side. Take the front side. Here's the other one. Why does it always end up going underneath stuff?
Okay, top one. Oh.
Oh, we didn't have to go any bigger. That's good. Probably would have had to with the other one, huh? These are almost way too long.
That's why I went ahead and used that other washer on the back.
Okay, there's that one. Hand tight.
Okay. See, that's plenty out of the way.
Yeah, oh yeah,
To
definitely.
walk by there.
Is that half?
I'm going to say probably 9/16.
There's 9.
Let's see here. Yep, 9.
Here, I got 9/16 on this side too. Just need to hold it. Just want to make sure it don't want to come loose.
That's right.
So y'all don't think Santa works very hard. I can tell you right now, this man works harder than anybody I know.
I work harder at getting out of work.
But you did all that your own.
Did all what?
Tighten those 2 bolts.
Oh, yeah.
All right, gonna cut away and we'll come back in a minute. Need the light.
All right. I want to hang the light down. Okay, we're gonna have to
Do it that way. That how you want it?
Okay, once you get that hooked up.
Okay. Right out there. You're in the camera view though.
Now then,
Oh yes. Unless I block it.
well, that lights it up here really nice. Now I have to play with the angle of the light. I may put it on the side to get a little more up in here. But turn it off, Delbert. Let's see how it looks without it. There's without. Turn it back on.
Oops.
There it is on. Yeah, that's going to make a nice light for under here, isn't it?
How about the other side?
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that thing lit up under there.
I don't see any paint missing either. Look at that.
I do, right there.
Oh, that's it. Well,
Oh, look here too.
Yeah, I figured there'd be some.
Oh,
Watch your head.
that's hard. But all right, well there it is. Now, y'all need to go check out their store, online store. They have got several items that could help you out. They've got area lights. They've got outdoor lighting. And this is really good, hefty.
Great for the wheel well shot.
Oh yeah. That's going to be nice to have. That is going to be nice. Now, show them how it folds up against the wall. Now, this is not what this unit was made for.
We could just do that if we needed to.
Yep. And you turn that flat, and look how flat that goes up against the wall. You're not going to be hitting your head on it. That's good. I like that. All right, Delbert. Well, thank you for helping me put that up.
That was the toughest light I ever had to install.
Oh, I know it. It took us a whole, what?
5 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
Hey, if we'd have had everything together, it wouldn't have took that long. But
Yeah, it took longer to go get the tools and the drill bit and everything to put it up. Longer to find the bolts. But, yeah, go check out their website. I'll put a code down in the description for this. And please, guys, check them out.
And if they're watching, we need another one for the other side. If the company's watching, we need another one for the other side. Hint, hint.
We'll see what we can do. Thank you, Delbert.
Look.
And we'll see y'all next time on Santa's Workshop.